In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Snapchat account. Unfortunately, you cannot do it from inside the app, so you have to go to their website actually to delete the account itself. They're just like that. Just go to your browser and go to the following website. It's account.snapchat.com. And here you will have to log in with your username or email. Once you're logged in, you're going to have a bunch of options, and if you scroll down, you're going to have the option here to delete your account. This is just telling you that when you first send a request to delete the account, it will not be deleted automatically. It will be deactivated for a period of 30 days. And once those 30 days go by, then the account will be permanently deleted. So you just need to type in your password and hit continue. Once you do that, the account is deactivated. Now, if you change your mind within 30 days, you can just log into the account and the account will be activated again. But if you let the 30 days go by, then the account will be deleted permanently. So when I try to go back to Snapchat, it logged me out. I'm gonna try to log in again. Your account is currently being deactivated. If you have verified your email address with Snapchat, we will let you know when your account is successfully deactivated. That's the message that I get when I first try to log in. So that will just do it. It will take some time to fully delete it. Check your email for any communications that they might send you, and that should be it. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so I can get the 100K plaque. Please have a wonderful rest of the day and stay safe out there, my friends.